When were you grateful to be proven wrong? My daughter Sarah was born with tremors in her hands. She couldn't hold a pencil steady, and I was terrified about sending her to public school. Her first day of art class, she came home crying. The other kids had laughed when she couldn't color inside the lines. I wanted to pull her out right then, but her art teacher, Ms. Chen, asked us to wait. "Give me 2 weeks," she said. I didn't believe it would help, but we agreed. The next day, Ms. Chen announced a new project. Everyone had to paint while holding their brushes with their mouths, not their hands. Some kids complained, but she insisted. For 2 weeks, the whole class learned what it felt like to struggle with control. Their pictures were messy, paint got everywhere, but they kept trying. Then Ms. Chen brought out Sarah's previous artwork and showed how her messy lines made the pictures more interesting, more alive. Last week was the school art show. Sarah's painting of a storm won first place. But the best part? When she went to accept her award, her classmates were the ones cheering the loudest. Now they all asked